This is Dr. Selene Parekh, the fantasy doctor. Kyle Busch was involved in a horrific accident today in NASCAR racing. He has a right compound lower leg fracture and a left midfoot or middle of the foot injury. He is in surgery as we speak. Now, anytime the bone breaks out of the skin, that's known as a compound fracture. And some of the issues involved with that injury include damage to the nerves and blood vessels, and more importantly, the fact that the outside world is now in touch with the bone, which means infection can be a big issue. In surgery, they are likely washing out the bones, washing out the soft tissues, putting plates and screws or a rod into the bone itself and closing things up. On the left side, in the middle of the foot, it all depends on the severity of the injury. He can have things like plates and rods being placed, or he can also have what's called an external fixator device being placed, where a rod sits outside the foot and pins are sitting into the bone, connecting the rod to the foot itself and the bones. We will get more information from the surgeons once the surgery has been completed, but look for a long recovery for both sides, at least 6 months, if not upwards of 9 to 10 months. This is Dr. Selene Parekh, the fantasy doctor.